Hi guys, so today I'm gonna try this new foundation stick that I've got from Makeup Revolution. The shade is F10. The packaging is really luxurious and very neat. I really like the color. And yeah, this is the quantity that you get. If you're using your beauty blender, make sure it's damp. It is blending so easily, you guys. Light on your face. Thought it is not my color, but I am actually loving the shade. Let me do one more to see how much of a coverage can it get, because I think it has a good coverage and you can go up to like 2 times. It's even less messy. Like with liquid foundation, it's a little messy. My review, I love this foundation. It's dewy, it's skin like, it's so light on your face. This is just a go-to foundation. It's so easy to use. Beautifully it blends on your face. It's not cakey. I love this. So I'm also gonna give it like 10 or 10. Bye.